Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar series. Today, we're going to dive deep into subject pronouns, an essential aspect of English grammar. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a solid understanding of subject pronouns and how to use them correctly. To begin, let's define subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are words that replace the subject of a sentence. They help us avoid repetition and make our sentences more concise and clear. Here are the most common subject pronouns in English. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. These pronouns represent the subject of a sentence. Now, let's explore how to use them in sentences. Using I and you. I. We use I when referring to ourselves. For example, I am a teacher. You. We use you when addressing someone directly. For example, you are a student. Using he, she, and it. He. He is used for males. For example, he is my brother. She. She is used for females. For example, she is a doctor. It. It for non-living things or animals. For example, it is a beautiful day. Using we and they. We. We refers to a group of people, including yourself. For example, we are going to the party. They refers to other people or things. For example, they are studying for the exam. Common mistakes to avoid. Before we wrap up, let's look at some common mistakes to avoid when using subject pronouns. A common mistake is using it for people. Remember, it is used for non-living things or animals, not people. Another mistake is using they when you should use we or you. Be mindful of the context. Practice exercises. Now, let's practice what we've learned. I'll give you some sentences, and you can try replacing the subjects with the correct subject pronouns. That's it for today's lesson on subject pronouns. You now have a solid foundation for using I, you, he, she, it, we, and they correctly in your sentences. Keep practicing, and soon, it will become second nature. Thanks for joining us today, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English grammar lessons. If you have any questions or want to suggest a topic for a future video, please leave a comment below. Happy learning!